In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put stop loss in trading 212. A stop loss is a safety net for your trades. It's an order that automatically closes your position if the market moves against you and reaches a price you choose, helping you limit potential losses without constantly watching the screen. Think of it as a plan you set up in advance, so your emotions don't have to make decisions in the heat of the moment. Let's start with how to add a stop loss while you're placing a new trade on desktop. First, search for the stock or asset you want to trade and open its page. Click Buy if you're going long, or Sell if you're shorting or using CFDs. In the order form, look for the section labeled Stop Loss and Take Profit. Toggle on Stop Loss to reveal the input. Enter your stop price. For a buy position, this price will typically be set below the current market level because you're telling the platform to close the trade if the price drops to that point. Take a moment to check the distance to your stop, the potential loss, and whether that aligns with your plan. When you're comfortable, review the order and submit it. If you don't see a stop loss toggle in the ticket, look for order types like stop or stop limit. Some account types present risk controls through those order formats instead. The idea is the same. You're predefining the level where the trade should automatically close if the market goes the wrong way. Now, if you already own the position and want to add protection after the fact, go to your portfolio and open the position you want to manage. You'll see sections labeled Profit Loss, or something like Take Profit and Stop Loss, sometimes under a Modify button. Turn on Stop Loss. Enter the exact price where you want trading 212 to automatically sell the position if the market moves against you. Double-check the level, make sure it reflects the risk you're willing to take, and then save or confirm the settings. Your stop loss is now attached to the open trade and will trigger if that price is hit. On CFD accounts, you may also see an option called Trailing Stop. This feature automatically adjusts the stop level upward as the price moves in your favor, helping you lock in gains while still giving the trade room to breathe. That's it. By setting a stop loss when you enter a trade or by adding it to an existing position, you put guardrails around your risk and keep your strategy consistent.